guys. So when I was in London, I had a Pimm's cup and I loved it. It was beautiful and there was fruit in it. It was like a British sangria, kind of. It was yummy. And I'm going to make a batched version of that. So if you're having some friends coming over, make a batch Pimm's cup. People will really like it because it's not something that you normally have. It's a little bit different. It's beautiful. It's springtime. And I think you guys will dig it. So check this out. Let's start with the fruit because we're also being healthy. Okay, let's cut these in half. If your pitcher's big enough, you don't have to. But I like using a glass pitcher for this so you can see how beautiful the fruit is. So we're gonna do 1 navel orange. This is like a cup of strawberries. 1/4 cup of mint. 1/4 cup of basil. So now we're just gonna smush this all down and try to muddle it a bit. And then to this, we just wanna release the flavors, get some of the juices released in there. I'm just using the back of a spoon. You can use a muddler. It's like we're making a smoothie. We're hydrating. That's what I tell myself. So you don't wanna like completely pulverize the fruit. You just wanna like smash it to wake it up and get the flavors in there and get a little bit of the juices out. Okay, so now, I just have to smell this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The mint and the basil, got the oranges, strawberries, yum. Okay, so 1.5 cups of Pimm's. And so once we get the Pimm's in, we're gonna give it a little stir. We're gonna let it marinate minimally 30 minutes, ideally 2 hours. So there we go. So now we're just gonna stir this up. Some people also add gin to this, but we're just going with the Pimm's. And then what we're gonna add is a little bit of ginger beer and club soda and lemon juice. Okay, cool. Let's let this chill, marinate. I'll be back. Okay, so this has been marinating. Now I'm gonna make it into my batch vibes because you got people coming over and I wanna add the ginger beer and the lemon juice to it. So you just have to pour it into a cup, top it with a little bit of club soda, that's it. So I'm gonna pour this into my bigger pitcher. Great. Now I'm gonna add 3.5 cups of ginger beer. And then we're also gonna add 2 fresh lemons. Some people also add English cucumber to this as well. I decided to go with a more fruity vibe because then we have the ginger beer and the lemon. But the cucumber in here is really good too. Okay, great. So now we are going to pour our Pimm's cup into our glass. So I'm gonna pull out some of the fruit to make sure some gets in there. You want that beautiful fruit in there. Oh my gosh. And we need to get a strawberry. So then imagine having just a bunch of people over. This is ready to go. They pour it out. It looks so beautiful. And now we're gonna top it with some club soda. Yum. Oh. Oh, it's good. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. See you guys next week. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I might go onto the porch and drink this.